How to change your WhatsApp personal account to business account. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can change your WhatsApp to business account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to change your WhatsApp to business account, what you can do is simply go ahead and open up your WhatsApp business first. Download the app from the Play Store or App Store and open it up. Then you should get an page like this. Tap on agree and continue. Now if you already have personal account logged in on WhatsApp on your device, as you can see I have WhatsApp here and I'm logged in. So it's asking me whether I wish to log in that account or switch that account to business account. So if you wish to do so, you can tap on use, or if you want to use a different number, you can tap on use a different number. Either ways, go through the prompts and it'll ask you to enter in certain details regarding your business that you would like to set up your WhatsApp business account on, and you're good to go. This is how you can easily change your WhatsApp to business account. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.